Wasim Akram. Wasim Akram. Yeah. From the dusty grounds of Lahore to the lights of Lords, one name echoes forever: Sultan! He swings it like lightning, he rules a green field. Wasim Akram, the king, the sword he will wield. 92 glory, Imran by his side. World Cup in the sky, Pakistan's pride. Sultan a swing, where you gonna run? Left hand magician, he's second to none. Wickets are falling like stars in the night. Wasim Akram rise in eternal spotlight. Yo, born with fire in his veins, thunder in his wrist. Reverse swing assassin, you can't resist. Ball talks and whispers, then screams past the bat. Batsmen and nightmares, they freeze where they're at. Lahore's lion, raw power and grace. He paints masterpieces in white ball space. From Sharjah to Sydney, the crowd chants his name. Every a chapter in cricket's Hall of Fame. Sultan a swing, where you gonna run? Left hand magician, he's second to none. Wickets are falling like stars in the night. Wasim Akram rise in eternal spotlight. Sultan a swing, where you gonna run? Left hand magician, he's second to none. Wickets are falling like stars in the night. Wasim Akram rise in eternal spotlight. Yeah. 92 summer, the desert wind cried. Imran and Wasim unstoppable tide. One captain's vision, one bowler's storm. Together they lifted the cup, broke every norm. 500 plus in test, ODI's deadly spell. He took legends down, sent them straight to hell. Lindsay Meandered, Javed, they all knew the truth. When Akram had the ball, there was no youth, only proof. He doesn't just bowl, he composes symphonies of scene. The ball bends time, defies every dream. Like poetry in motion, like thunder wrapped in silk. A modern day warrior with revolutionary skill. From olden swing kings to the new age pace, no one touched the crown that rests on his face. Generations will tell their sons with pride, there was once a left-armer who made the whole world hide. Yo, speed like a bullet, swing like a boomerang. One ball out swinger, next one comes back and bang. 1992 final, the whole nation on fire. Wasim took the stage, lifted the trophy higher. Records keep breaking, but his name stays king. Sultan of swing, let the stadium sing. From Gaddafi to Eden Gardens, wherever he went, crowds lost their minds, the legend was set. Sultan of swing, where you gonna run? Left-hand magician under Pakistan's sun. 92 forever, the dream that we chased. Wasim Akram, the greatest, the legend embraced. Records like rain, heart full of flame. Pakistan's hero, cricket's eternal name. Wasim, Sultan of swing. Yo, the king has spoken, long live the king.